This cast iron pot was used the last time. As you can see, as it was stored outside, there is some surface rust on the lid. In this video I show how to remove the rust and use vegetable oil to season it again and give it a nice coating to secure it or prevent it from further rusting. The reason why it rusted in the first place was just user error. I used for cleaning dishwash soap for the lid for reasons I don't know anymore. So let's start. First we need water and the sponge with a scruppy side and the cleaning mail you saw in the other videos. The sponge has a scrubby side which can be used to scrub off the rust because it's just surface rust and it goes away quite easy. As cast iron is quite porous, you need to dry the cast iron pot or pan you have. At first I use here my barbecue for it and let it dry until there is no visible water on the surface any more visible, and then I proceed with the next step. You heard our cat Tinkerbell in the background. She is the most annoying cat on the planet. When she sees a bug on the window. Crazy cat. Of course you don't need a barbecue for it. Any oven will do just fine. I then turned around the lid and used the chainmail to scrub off over the surface and remove residual rust, and then I dried it again in the barbecue. To create the coating I use here sunflower oil. Some people also use linen oil, or even the paste used by the manufacturer are also available to give them a coating, but in my experience sunflower oil works quite good for it. I only coated the side of the lid so you can later see the difference between the old coating and the new coating. I limit the amount of oil I use here just to have no issues with later burning of fat in the pan. So that is something you might want to stick to it. And here something regarding safety. As you use oil which can potentially burn in your oven or in your barbecue, please don't let your pan which need another coating unsupervised, especially when children are around. So be careful and think about what you do. Always use brains, right? I left the pan in the barbecue for about 1 hour, full throttle, 300 degrees Celsius, and this shows the halfway process which you can see there is some oil residue still in the pan visible. I turned the barbecue off and let the pan cool down. With a paper towel I removed the residue still left in the pan, but there wasn't barely any, and typically you need to repeat the process after some time. If you forget to oil your pan, of course. If you liked that video, please give a thumbs up and feel free to like and subscribe. There are also other videos regarding cast iron pan and handling of the material available. Please see the links in the description below. Thank you very much, and let's cook together next time.